Imagine you want to invest in Bitcoin, but you're not sure how to get started. You've heard about Paysend, a popular money transfer app, and you're wondering if it's the right tool for the job. Well, in this video, we're going to answer that question once and for all. Can you buy Bitcoin with Paysend? Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a quick look at what Bitcoin and Paysend are. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that uses blockchain technology. It's been making waves in the financial world for years, and many people are interested in investing in it. Paysend, on the other hand, is a global money transfer service that allows you to send money to friends and family around the world quickly and easily. So, can you use Paysend to buy Bitcoin? The short answer is, it depends. Exploring the possibilities. While Paysend doesn't have a direct feature for buying Bitcoin, there are a few indirect ways you can achieve this. Here are the main options. Using a third-party platform. Many cryptocurrency exchanges and platforms allow you to deposit funds using Paysend. This means you can transfer money from your Paysend account to the exchange and then use it to buy Bitcoin. However, it's important to choose a reputable platform and be aware of potential fees and security risks. Insert screen recording or visual aid of a popular cryptocurrency exchange showing the deposit options, including Paysend. Peer-to-peer, P2P, trading. P2P trading platforms connect buyers and sellers directly. You can find individuals who are willing to sell Bitcoin in exchange for fiat currency, like Nigerian Naira. If you can find a seller who accepts Paysend as a payment method, you can complete the transaction directly with them. Insert screen recording or visual aid of a P2P trading platform showing how to find sellers and initiate a trade. Using a Bitcoin ATM. Some Bitcoin ATMs allow you to deposit cash using a debit card. If you can find a Bitcoin ATM that accepts Paysend cards, you can use it to purchase Bitcoin directly. However, keep in mind that Bitcoin ATMs often have higher fees than other methods. Insert screen recording or visual aid of a Bitcoin ATM showing the deposit options and how to purchase Bitcoin. Factors to consider. When deciding which method to use, there are a few factors to consider. Fees. Each method has its own associated fees. Compare the fees charged by different platforms and ATMs to find the most cost-effective option. Security. Ensure that the platform or individual you're dealing with is trustworthy. Look for reviews and testimonials to assess their reputation. Ease of use. Consider your technical skills and comfort level with different platforms. Some methods may be more straightforward than others. Regulatory compliance. Be aware of the legal and regulatory landscape in your country. Ensure that your chosen method is compliant with local laws. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Start small. If you're new to Bitcoin, it's a good idea to start with a small investment. This will allow you to get familiar with the technology and reduce your risk. Secure your wallet. Once you purchase Bitcoin, it's crucial to store it in a secure wallet. Avoid keeping your Bitcoin on exchanges, as they are vulnerable to hacking. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency world. This will help you make informed decisions and stay ahead of potential risks. So, can you buy Bitcoin with Paysend? While there isn't a direct option, you can use indirect methods like third-party platforms, P2P trading, or Bitcoin ATMs. The best approach for you will depend on your individual preferences and circumstances. Remember to do your research, choose a reputable platform, and prioritize security. With a little effort, you can successfully purchase Bitcoin using Paysend. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.